Marking and cutting a piece of timber to length. Firstly, the best face and the best edge of the timber is chosen, and a face mark and an edge mark is placed accordingly. The end needs to be squared off, so we'll square a line down the face and one down either edge. Accuracy in marking is very important. Notice that the line across the face and the line across the edge line up perfectly. The job always needs to be secured when working on it. In this case, we'll use a bench hook to secure the work. The idea when cutting is to remove half of the line only. The saw begins on the far edge of the timber and works its way across. You need to be standing directly behind the saw, eyeing down the edge of the blade. The lines down the edge help you to guide the saw and keep the cut square. It's always best to have the timber supported by a scrap piece to prevent breakout beneath. The cut is then checked for square. The job can now be measured to length. In this case, we're using a tape measure and setting it at the 100mm mark. Don't forget to add 100mm to your measurement. The length is marked accurately and then squared across the face and the edge once again. The second cut is made in the same way as the first. Remember that the saw cut is made on the off-cut side of the line. The full length of the blade is used and there is very little pressure applied. The end is checked for square. It's then time to double check the measurement. Beauty.